What's up, YouTube? So today we'll be changing the spark plug for my BMW E39 with the M54 engine. So the engine is misfiring a little bit. So I bought some spark plug and some coil, and I'll also be doing the struts on the boot. I will call it boot here in Nigeria, not trunk. So I'll be doing that and some other bits. In the last video, you can see that okay, after washing the car, I was able to replace the hose for the fuel filter, which is under here. So that has stopped leaking fuel. So I will just go ahead and replace the spark plug, then maybe do the door card too, which I bought sometimes ago from Lagos. So let's just get started. So these are the coils and the spark plugs. I don't know their condition, but they are used because this is going to be a budget build. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So brand new spark plugs. 4, 5. So these are the boot struts. I plug spanner 10. Some of the screws are missing, so I've got only 2 screws there. So just get this done here on both. This, yeah, this bolt is missing here. So these are the coils. I'm going to replace all the coils. I can check and find out which one is misfiring, but since I don't know the history of the coil and the spark plug, I might as well just replace everything. So let's go. Oh, so fun fact, The BMW E39 is considered as one of the best looking E39, and I'm trying to restore this to a good looking condition. The car practically has mostly no rust or just surface rust. So I'll be able to inspect it all around and see what needs to be done. So I'll be taking it bit by bit, as this is a budget restoration. So I'm not going to be going over head on price. Uh, Importing brand new parts from Europe and all that. If I might import some, but I'll just try and source everything locally here in Nigeria. Anything that I can get here to cut the cost down, because I don't want to go over budget on this build. Because we still have some cool projects coming on this channel. I have some cool cars that you guys are going to enjoy watching me restore. So this is going to be a good one. So I will advise you subscribe. But the channel is going to be fun. I'm going to bring cool projects. I have to take this off. Ah. So from here, I can see a bit water on the cylinder C. So I don't know if water is getting into the plug. I don't know if that's what's causing the misfire. Or I might have to check. Because if you look top here, bring the camera. I have to bring the camera to here so you can see there's a bit of water on the valve cover. So I don't know if water is getting into the plug that's causing the misfire. Definitely we'll take a look at it and see what is, if that's the cylinder that is causing it to misfire. We'll just replace the plugs and the coil. Oh, cylinder is fully submerged underwater. I don't know how water is getting in here. That is definitely the culprit. Oh, how is water getting in here? Let's just dry this out and pull out the coil and try and dry it out. Ah, fully submerged in water. What? Whew. I'm just trying to use this to dry out the water before taking out the plug, so water won't get into the cylinder. Oh, So there's quite a fair amount of water in the cylinder. I don't know if anybody has come across that, but if anybody know any solution or how water is getting there, you can drop it in the comment below. Because I really want to stop water from getting in there. I want a permanent solution. These rubbers are good, so I don't think the water is getting in from here. I don't know if it's this. I don't think there's water in the reservoir, washer reservoir, and let me take out this spark plug. You see a bit of water in it. Okay, so let me take out the plug from. Let's see water. I'm going to try and clean again because I don't want the water to get into the cylinder. I'll just take this in and leave it for a while. Let it dry up with water. This is not it. No. Tell these guys that's where they say part, eh? So some of the coils are different, as you can see. This has two bolt pattern, which looks like the one on the car exactly, but this has four. So I'll be returning 1, 2, 3 to the guy I got them from. I'll be getting a replacement for these 3. And when I get the replacement, I'll replace them. So I'm just going to replace 3 of these. I can see a bit of water. Still water. A lot of water. Water. Awesome. Okay. So I'm trying to use some tissue paper and try and soak it inside to get out the water. Like I said, I don't know how water is getting into here. Maybe I'll have to call stretching. Stretching from the M539 restoration. I'm sure it will have a solution. Just joking. So after this, maybe I'll have to go and do some research and see, get a permanent fix for the water coming into the cylinder 6. If any of you have an idea, you can drop it in the comment where the water is coming from. Let me pull out the plug. Out. Finally got it out. So beginning to rust. Yeah. So we were shooting and it started raining. So I just continue taking out the spark plug. All right. I think this is the only one that's good. So this is second spark plug. Ah, I'm disposing this one. It's not firing well. This is also wet. Disposing of this one too. This is okay. But I'm not going to be using it. I'll just keep it as spare, maybe in case of an emergency. These two. So just replace all this. I'm disposing this. So brand new. Ooh. Mm. This is really good. So just take it. So like I said earlier, I'm not going to be replacing all the coils because some of those coils are low spec. So I'm just going to be replacing the ones that the mods are bad. Then I'll get those other three replaced. Coil number 6. Number 1. Number 2. So I've gotten all the coils in. I'm going to give it a start and see how it runs now. As earlier, When I start it, it get really shaky. So let me just plug the coil back and give it a start and see how smooth. Because this M54 engine runs really smooth if it's running properly. There shouldn't be any form of shakiness. You almost not notice that the engine is running if the engine is running properly. That's how smooth the inline six engines are. Let me give it a start. Plug the battery. Start the car. Battery wasn't properly plugged. Let's go again. Ah, runs smooth now, as you can see. Woo. Zero vibration. That was a successful one. So I have only one washer on the cover, so I'm just going to put it here because the washer was here and a lot of water is going into this. So I'm going to get another bolt and washer for this and the other cover. So let me put this here first to see if that will stop the water coming. Because I really still don't know how water is coming in here. Again, like I said, when the engine is running smooth, you almost don't know that the engine is running. Because the engine is really smooth. So I'm only one of this cover to face it. Maybe I'll take it for a test drive and see how smooth the engine is running. So after fixing the spark plug, I went out for a drive. The engine seems to run very smooth. So I think there's no more vibration and no misfiring. I like the way it runs now. Like I said earlier, this six cylinder, this M54, the engine is running really well. You will really like it because the engines are smooth. So sorry for the noise because my windows are down. I just want to do a quick test drive. I hope you enjoy. Yes, that's really good now. So